Hi and welcome back to Spawn Works. If you own 2025 or 2026 or newer Nissan Kicks and you wonder if you have a spare tire, the answer is no. But instead of a spare tire, these vehicles come with a tire repair kit. So right there you have tire inflator, and right here is a tire slime that will fix your tire. If you need to fix your tire, this is actually temporary fix until you can get to some tire shop and replace your tires or fix it properly. Now, if you really want to have a spare tire in this vehicle, Nissan is selling spare tire or donuts, and what you will have to do in that case, you will have to remove all these and put your spare tire right there. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.